Thank you very much, Peter and Jürgen. Thank you very much. I'm touched with this recognition. I want to say thank you once again for your kind words. I must say I'm thrilled to be receiving such an important award, the Resilient Travel Seal Award. On behalf of my country and the people of Kenya, and on my personal behalf, I want to say we are very grateful for this recognition that Kenya has received today. But I know all over the country, people have put efforts and they deserve also to be on the same level. I can tell you it's not been easy, not only for us in Kenya, but every sector in the world has suffered because of this pandemic. I want to say that we have to be optimistic. We have to be positive. We have to think out of the box or throw the box and think differently because there's a new normal. And Kenya is committed, I can tell you that. I am delighted that finally we are being recognized, but I can tell you Kenya is safer than even before. Yes, nobody can guarantee that, but I can tell you we have put every effort from security to health and safety, but definitely I can tell you we have a good country and you deserve to come and visit. I also want to appreciate my tenure as a Minister of Tourism. I've served my country for the last 10 years as Minister of Tourism. And I want to appreciate my president, President Uhuru Kenyatta, for according me this trust in running this docket. I grew up in this industry. Since I was 20 years old, I've been in this industry. So I know it. And I have an open door policy to my stakeholders. Everyone and anyone is welcome to discuss issues with me. My journey in this field would not have been successful without my entire team in my office, my peers, my deputy minister, Mr. Boynet, my staff in my office, the tourism board, the private sector in Kenya. And also I want to thank African Tourism Board, the collaboration and the sharing of ideas. I want to thank specifically my mentor, Dr. Talib Rifai. I always said, when I grow up, I want to be like Talib Rifai.